Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this session I am going to explain you another activity that is available in Google Sheets of UiPath, that is nothing but autofill activity. So before knowing about the autofill activity, we'll discuss about the spreadsheets. So here I have a column called admission number, so 1121, and the admission number for Richard is 1122 and the admission number for Venu is 1123. So like this, these admission numbers will go on. So continuously while enrolling, these admission sequence will be go on. Suppose if I have 100 or 1000 members joined in my school, in that case this admission number, writing of this admission number will be hectic task manually. So here in Excel also we have the autofill option. So let's see how it works. If I am deleting this, so I have 1121 is my number. Suppose if you drag this number, means suppose I will drag till 15, so this time it is showing the same number. So this is like copying the number from one cell to other cell. So like 1121 is repeating throughout my this cell range. Okay, so here if I am giving the sequence like 1122, so here the first number is incremented by 1 in the second row, right? 1121 and 1122. If I drag till 15 means, so here it will forms a sequence like 212, 223, 24, 25, 26, 27 and so on till 34, so till it reaches 15. So like this, so this is kind of sequence which we call it as autofill. So this autofill we can achieve it with help of UiPath, with the help of an activity called autofill activity. So here I will write the sequence like 1121 and 1122. So here we will try to fill the range till 20 with the help of UiPath. Okay, so let's begin with creating a new sequence. Here I already created a new sequence with the name as autofill and configured my client ID and client secret inside my Gsuite application scope. So now first we will find out the activity that are available in the activities panel. So here search with the term as autofill activity, and here you can notice the under Gsuite inside the sheets of processing you will see this autofill range. Okay, so just drag and drop into the designer panel. Here the inputs of this autofill range are spreadsheet ID, sheet name and rule range. Spreadsheet ID is the ID so which we attain here from the URL of our test spreadsheet. So I'm just copying this ID and here we need to place it inside this text field in double quotes like this. Okay, so next thing is the sheet name. So sheet name is nothing but the sheet ID which we see here in the spreadsheet. Okay, so as we need to perform the operation on the sheet 1, so we can choose this sheet 1. Okay, so here I choose the sheet 1 and the rule range. So here the rule range is nothing but so how much portion of the cells we need to select. Suppose, so here I have a pattern like 1121, 1122. Suppose if I select this pattern means, so basically the difference between the values are incrementing by 1, right? So the same kind of pattern will be taken into consideration by this rule range field. So here we need to mention the range. So here I need to follow the range from B2 to B3, right? So here I should update it as B2 to B3. Okay, so this is one thing we need to carefully notice while updating this rule range. Okay, and here if you notice the properties and the fill length, so number of rows or columns to be filled. So here, so I just want to update the values till 20, so it means like 19 values I need to update, correct? So here we need to provide the length of the cells till which number you want to update. For suppose I am giving like 18, so here, so if you remove these 3 cells or 3 rows, so the remaining ones are 17. Okay, so I'll just make it as 17. till it reaches the length of 17, it will perform the rule range operation on the cells on the selected column. Okay, so here we have selected the column as B2 to B3. On the same column this operation will be performed. Okay, so next thing is, here we have another option called direction. So it is showing the drop down with up, down, left and right. So after selecting the rule range, so we can choose the option, so which side it should perform the autofill, either right side or left side, up or down we can choose. So as we have the scope of downside, so I am just updating with down. Okay, so let's execute this now. Execution is started and it is completed. So you can see the pattern is updated till 20th. Yeah, so 17 rows. So from here we counted as 17, right? So yeah, it is 17 rows. And here you can see this, there is no repetition of this admission numbers like 1121 1122 or like that. So it is just a sequential numbers. Okay, so suppose if you want to take the same number along the whole column, so in that case what you will do is, so here you can update the rule range. Suppose I just want to show the value of 1121. If suppose these people, all the students belongs to the same section, means their ID or the section ID will be same, right? Suppose here consider the admission number as their session ID, 1121 is the classroom. I just want to update the classroom with the same number. So in this case I am just using this direction as down itself, and let's update it now. Now you can see the same value will get automatically updated in the 20 fields of the column B. See, you can see whole rows are updated with 1121. Okay, so I think so this time it has updated till 17, because last iteration it is counted as 17 from the 4th row. So till here it is 17. This time the updates are happening from here, right? So from B3 range. So as we have rule range is updated till B2, so this time the updates are happening. So the updates are happening till B19. Okay, so let's see the sum of the options. If suppose if I want to update towards right side, so here I will take 1139, okay, student name as my the rule range. So here I should update it with C1. Okay, so now my columns should be updated towards right side with the name as student name. Okay, let's run now. Oh, okay, sorry, I selected up. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's showing error, some backend error, I think because of the selection of up. Yeah, here I selected as up. Okay, let me update it as right side. So I will rerun this now. Yeah, execution is completed, and so we can see, so till 20 columns we can see this student name. Okay, so why? Because so here we have selected the rule range as C1 and direction as right with the fill length of 17. So here from here onwards, so till 17 columns we can see this student name. Okay, so don't worry about this one. I think I have updated this one previously in some of my things. Okay, so don't worry about that one. Okay, so like this is one of the important activity we can use while working with Excel sheets or with Google Sheets. So the same process we can notice in while working with the Excel sheets as well. Okay, that's all for this session. I hope you like the video. Please share with please share the video with your friends and colleagues, and if you like the video, please do subscribe and share your comments or feedback in the comment section. Thank you.